Hello. So it is Monday morning and today I'll be taking you in a day of my life because, as you know, it's the summer holidays for me. I do have a job but I haven't quite summer holidays, so I've basically got a free day and I thought I'd kind of take you around, show you my girl what I do in a day, you know, because I am one of those people who can't sit still for longer than about 5 minutes, so I have to really jam-pack my day. Oh, she saw the camera coming, she was like, no. But I just thought I'd show you. It is currently 9 in the morning and on the temperature dial is already, all these vines can go, excuse me, already 21 degrees. Can you see that? 21. That is incredible for England. Look at the sky. Wow. Banksy, isn't that amazing? Nope, clearly not. So first things first. She's following me. We're gonna have breakfast. Yeah? We're gonna have breakfast. What are you doing, Banksy? She's really out here following me. She's such a... You're trying to beat me, are you? You're trying to beat me. You're trying to beat me. Try and beat... She beat me. Oh. And then we can get started on our day of activity. Yeah, we can get started on our day of activities. Now whenever I drink from this straw, because of all the YouTubers who put that noise, like this, when they drink, I feel like every time I drink that noise should happen, but it doesn't, so I'm kind of disappointed, I'm not gonna lie. Anyway, what should we have for breakfast? So, I've just eaten breakfast, and now, as a student, you know the price of a gym membership is very expensive, and I don't have that kind of money. I'm a student, so the bank account is low, if you know what I'm saying. And I recently found a park. I don't know why I'm talking so slowly. Sorry.
Near-ish to my house, and it's got a gym. Now, I'm thinking, since it's the morning and it's already 20-something, why don't I go to the park now and test out the outdoor gym equipment?
Ready? We are on our way, and we're gonna go to this park, test out the gym equipment. So I'm at the park, but I literally don't know where this gym equipment is. It's such a large park and I just can't. I don't know if I've come to the right one. There's so many parks in my area, and my mind is boggled. Okay, I found it, but there are two people sitting at the bench right in front of it. So I'm gonna like lap the park and wait for them to move, because I really want to film it for you guys. So let's see how long it takes for them to move. We love a workout queen. Look at her go. She really is utilising that gym equipment. Trying another one. Oh, she's going for it. She loves it. Steady on, you're literally gonna swing to blooming space, Grace. She's really out here trying to get those gains. She is straight into it, loving it from day one. You go, gal. I'm having a great time. Well, that was a fun time. I really I feel like I couldn't fully enjoy it because I was by myself. You know what? I did still enjoy it, and I'm now gonna bring, whenever my friends come to the area or my siblings are like, do you wanna do something? I'm gonna take them to that park. Not only was the gym section cracking, and that was free. I mean, not only was the gym park great, the kids park looked 10 out of 10, I'm not even joking. There was this thing that you like hung onto and you could swing round, and honestly, I'm here for that. I support that in my local parks. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to be doing with my day is I'm going to be DIYing this sweatshirt. This sweatshirt was once white and I accidentally dyed it. Can you see that bit of blue here? when I washed it, I didn't separate my whites in, because I don't, if I'm honest. I keep all my like colours together and just put it in and hope for the best, which is really not the right way to do it. But anyway, so what I'm thinking is I'm gonna DIY, because obviously it's got a bit of blue on it. So I'm thinking if I can roll with the blue, I can make it like a tie, almost like it's been purposefully done like that. So basically, here I have my magic pen, which erases when it is washed or something. So I'm gonna do, okay, slight small issue. I couldn't find an embroidery hoop, so this could go really wrong. But we're just gonna roll with it. I've got all my threads here, so I'm gonna choose the different blues. What's under here? Oh yay! Guys, you don't need to worry. Look what I just found. Jumper, it's been about an hour and a half and I've only done this much so far. But you know, it's better than nothing. I just sat outside and had my lunch and it was a great time. So I really want to finish this shirt now. I am very nearly done. Like, I've got the waves, I've started the circle, and then I just need to write Malibu. So I think I might be able to finish it this afternoon. This is my probably least favourite part of the day. When I...
The evening.
No, it is...
The afternoon.
4:15. Between 4 and 5:30, I kind of don't like it because no one's home. Well, Jessie is now. You know, I'm a people person, like to be where the people are, and I feel like at 4 o'clock is when I'm at my wit's end, and then I have to cook dinner, and then I just eat everything because I'm hungry for dinner, so it's kind of a tragic time. But you know what, you push through. You have your roasted monkey nuts, and although they taste a little bit gone off.
The inkling to travel.
Why?
I don't know, I don't really get the appeal. Sure, it's nice to see some other places, but not all the time.
Well, I didn't have an inkling for concerts, and now I'm being Jessie. My life's been transformed.
Oh my gosh, I just...
Don't laugh at these, but don't look at them. I have made some French stick. Don't look at them because they're really imperfect. But they'll taste good. Because you know what? It's on the... inside that counts. Pasta Queen is here and in full flow. So we got our meatballs and our sauce right here. And we got our spaghetti right here. And I'm about to plate it up. Spaghetti, spaghetti. I finished the jumper. Yeah, oh that looks so weird. Jess, can you film my jumper please? The jumper, we're showing them.
Oh.
So this is what the jumper looks like.
What does it say?
Malibu with a wave.
Maluba.
Malibu!
Maluba?
It's spelled wrong.
Maluba?
For real. Malibu!
You stupid.
You stupid. A little heads up, the next bit is mainly for my entertainment. But basically it's me and Jessie just being siblings for the next bit. So you don't have to watch, but if you do want to watch then you can. But you know, it's just us interacting as siblings, so viewer discretion advised. Did I get it? I know, it was so good.
Fresh.
Ready?
Oh, don't ruin it. Go on. She's got it backwards. Play a tune.
Ready? Hang on. It's for my, what's it called when they have like a little foot?
A stool.
Smelly cat. Smelly cat.
See the second.
You taught me how to play.
I taught you to play a lot of things, but you just never really practiced.
Okay, yeah.
Oh yeah.
He taught me how to play
throwback.
Ellie Goulding Staria?
Lights. Everybody.
Oh, the lights don't tell me they turn to stars.
Fire.
And then they turn in when I'm Wembley.
Play a chord. Play a chord.
I know there's one where two fingers are on one.
Yeah, go on. Go for an E minor.
And alternatively,
You're gonna get the little one. I can just feel it. Oh.
you've gone completely off guard there, haven't you? In very
Gym
warm
girl.
jumper. I'm going to become a gym girl. Okay, ready? Hang on. Did you hear my hip pop?
That was your forehead vein.
You can't make me laugh when I'm doing it. Okay. Oh, you got one on.
By the way, it was just secret for all you Grace fans out there. Grace doesn't wear deodorant.
I do.
She doesn't wear deodorant. Secret fan.
I also just want to show you a quick. Every video I'm going to show you one random thing in Jessie's room. Jokes. But today I'm actually going to show you one.
What are you picking? Best pick the best one.
I wonder what you think is the best.
I know
You
what is
think
the
one of
best
those?
one. I know what is the best one. What have you gone for?
Just welcome Manning the Mammoth to the crew.
He is the one-tusked elephante.
My one. What happened to the other one?
Second fun fact, Grace broke one of my favourite ornaments, the polar bear.
To be fair, I did break his red polar bear. I was very clumsy child, still am.
Clumsy
I broke
Charles, she
Mum's-
did this when she was, what, like 2-3 years ago?
Jessie,
You can't call
no,
yourself a
that was like
child.
14.
No way.
Sweet chariot, coming forth to carry me home. Let's go.